So hello fans, as I said before, let us check the booting process of this switch. Look at the model here. I want to use this model to do the checking today. This model 3750G gigabyte switch, this 24 port. I want to use it today. So what we're going to do right now is this thing. It has process. It has process. The booting process, starting from the power siphon test. Okay, let's plug in power. When you plug it, you see all light flashed. So it starts this power siphon test. This is doing power siphon test. You see the pattern of the blinking. You see PM. This one is slow. PM. Are you seeing it? This is doing power siphon test. Then the pattern has changed now. This pattern is initializing the flash. The flash is being initialized. Yes. Yeah, then you can see it has changed to another pattern again. Another pattern, which this one is PM. This pattern is showing that it has started booting. That he has found software. That's the iOS on the flash. You know, this thing is very fast, so that's why I'm trying to be fast along with it. So that's this one is the process. Is booting. This pattern is showing that it's booting. So okay, let us start afresh again. There's three pattern I showed you. Those three pattern. The first pattern is the all lights going to show 3 amber up here, then green downwards. So you're going to, this pattern is applicable to all these layer 3, layer 2 switches. This is the same pattern. Layer 3, layer 2 Cisco switches. So you will see that it flashed. When it flashed, it's going to start kind of blinking. PM. That's a first pattern. And that first pattern, this first blinking that is slow, is what it was doing that time. It was doing power siphon test. Power siphon test, checking both the RAM, the CPU, the flash, checking all these ones. They are all under this power siphon test. So we're going to go into that right now. But first, wait, let me finish. Then the second, you will find out that the second pattern again is much faster than the first one I showed you, which is this one blinking. The second pattern will become faster, and that time that is getting faster, that one is initializing the flash. It's trying to gain access to the flash and check the iOS, that's the software inside in the flash. So that moment, that is being kind of faster. Then you see that it will change to another pattern again, which is PM. This one is PM. If we do PM, it will cut. Do PM, that is giving a random interval, space interval. Then it will. I will show you that pattern is shown. It shows that it has started booting. That the switch has started booting. That's how you know that the switch has iOS inside. The iOS is inside. Let's go there. But when you see that the switch is stuck on this button like 30 seconds, 1 minute, it means that there's no iOS inside it. That the system has checked and it didn't see it, or the one inside is corrupt. So this one is the first one, which is this has entered another pattern. Let me put it on. Let's start afresh again. After the first pattern, you see this pattern. This one is slow. PM. This one is doing power siphon test. This mode now is doing power siphon test. Then it will enter another pattern now, much faster. You see, it has become much faster right now. This one is much faster. This one is initializing the flash. It's checking for the software. When you find the software, it will start booting. Look at it is now booting now. You can see it's booting. See, the pattern has changed again. pium, 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 pium. There's this different pattern. You see, this one is booting. This is the booting process. So let's continue. Pium, pium. This pattern is showing that it is booting. We're waiting for the switch to get another level, another stage. It's still booting. It's still loading the IOS. That's what it's doing. It's loading the IOS. That's the switch. This level it is now. See, there's no light here. That level that shows no light. That level that shows no light. Some you will see when you reset it, you see that it's only one light up that is showing. That level before this level is checking other components inside the system, or both some that has software inside it, some components they checking to know the condition of other components inside the switch. So we have come to this another level again. Look at all the lights are steady except this one up here. All the lights are on. This level now has started checking the port controllers. This level, the switch is checking the port controllers. These ports you're seeing here, all these ports, the controllers, the ASIC, the port ASIC inside. This is the port chip inside. The switch has started checking the port switch, both the PoE and the normal line controllers, because we have line controllers. And we have also power controllers inside. So this level is checking everything concerning the port. Yeah, it's checking the port. The last checking now that it started blinking. This one, the last one was what's it called, the PoE. After checking both the PoE, everything, this one will start blinking. It will first check the main line, that the main interface chip. After checking the interface chip, then it will start checking the what's it called, the PoE chip. That is it. So from this, you know that what is happening inside your switch, the level the switch is. Look at this one, it has two lights now. This one is what is showing that it is getting ready, almost ready, that your switch is almost ready. At this level is going to show you both the model of the switch and the software inside it. It's going to show you if you are using your PuTTY or your Tera-10 VT, you're using your computer to check. At this level, it means that it's getting ready. Then finally, it has completed. So now your switch is ready. You can check your port. You can check any other thing on the switch. So thank you. See you on the next video.